Since our very first building went up in 1974, Country Carpenters has been helping people across the country fulfill their dream of owning a beautiful country place. Half a century later, we're still proudly crafting period-style homes and post and beam buildings through the success of our unique building kits. Now, as we celebrate our 50th anniversary in 2024, we're forging our way into the future to better clarify the family of brands our team has provided now for 3 generations. We've always been Country Carpenters, and as our parent company, that will remain the same. But now we're proud to present 2 distinctly unique branches of our family tree: Early New England Homes by Country Carpenters and Post and Beam Barns by Country Carpenters. At their core, things really haven't changed. We're still the same family company you've come to know and trust, with the same core values and vision. So what has changed? From new websites to new catalogs and even some newly imagined product offerings, we think you'll find what you've been dreaming of easier than ever before. Our focus is on the next 50 years, but we'll never lose sight of who we've always been. We build beautiful country places, and we look forward to exceeding our clients' expectations as we build with them into the future.